Hi, everyone. Welcome back to another exciting broadcast with me, Teacher Victor. I will be your guest today. I am happy that you can take your time to listen to what we can share together. And I know that you are going to enjoy every step of our broadcast. Stay tuned and let us enjoy working together. Thank you. Today, I want us to look at a special gift. Yes, the earth as a special gift. It is a special gift that is given to me. It is a special gift that is given to you. It is a special gift that is given to us all. So we must love it and protect it because it is our special gift, the air. Do you know what a gift is? A gift is what you get when you don't expect. It is something that can be presented to you by someone you love and who loves you, and the person can just present that to you without knowing that you are going to get it. It can be a surprise, it can be anything that you are not expecting, but that is showing how much the person appreciates and loves you. Let's talk about special gifts that people receive in their daily lives. In special days like birthdays, we can receive cakes, we can receive messages in cards form, we can also receive red envelopes. There are many special days whereby we can receive gifts like red envelopes. What is inside a red envelope? A lot of money. We get money and we are so excited. It is a gift. Yes? Gifts. Gifts are very important. Do you love gifts? I personally love gifts. Now, let us move on to looking our precious gift for today, which we call our Mother Earth. I have a simple question for you today. Did you know that the universe is made of big bodies called planets? Yes, planets. Among the big bodies we are talking about, one of the bodies is called the Earth. This is where you can find a lot of people, living things, and all other things that you can find in the Earth. It is a gift to us. I want us to talk about it as a big body that is presented to us as a gift. Are you aware that the earth is divided into four main parts? Yes, the earth is divided into four main parts. We call them the spheres of the earth. So, I want us to talk about them, look at each one of them in simple terms. Stay tuned. Number one is called the land. Number two is called the water. Number three, we said we have the gases. And number four, we have living things, which is made of plants, animals, and other small living organisms. So, these are the four main parts of the earth which I want us to talk about. One, the land. Two, water. Three, gases or the air. Number four, living things. They form part of what we call Earth or Mother Earth. Let's look at each of these parts in detail. Number one, we have what we call the land. The land is formed by the different types of soils. It could be the loam soil, the clay soil, and the sandy soil. It is also formed by rocks, big stones, and minerals that are found underground. There are a lot of things that are happening in the land, which we call the geosphere. This may include volcanic eruptions. Do you know volcanoes? Yes, volcanoes also happen on the earth. The earth is very, very important. It is a home for people, a home for animals, and all other micro living organisms that exist. We also have the soil as the place where we can plant a lot of crops, vegetables, fruit trees, as well as all that we want to plant. Like all plants develop on the soil, and that is found on land. We also mine or get minerals underground or underneath the soil. Minerals like gold, diamond, coal. We use all these for planting or for getting. We sell all this to get money. Thank you. Let's talk about water. Water forms a greater part of the earth. We have a science name for water called the hydrosphere. Hydro means water. So we get water from many different places. This could include the river, the ocean, the lake, rainwater, as well as solid water, which is ice. Can you imagine life without water? No life can ever happen. No life can be successful. Can you live a day without water? It is very hard. You can be dehydrated. You can lose weight. You can lose energy. You cannot walk. You cannot do any activity. Plants and animals need water. Without water, all living things can die. So we need to take care of water. We need to protect it. It forms a greater part of our Mother Earth. Let's take care of it. Why water is important? Water is a home for a lot of living organisms like frog, crocodiles, fish, and many more animals. So it is very important. Without water, those animals may not have a home. We use water for washing. Think of our clothes, how dirty could they be without water? We also use water for drinking. All animals need water for drinking. We also need the water for watering our plants so that they grow well. So without water, plants, animals can die all at once. Another part of the earth is called air. Air is formed by a mixture of gases. Let's just talk about a few of these gases. We've got nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, water vapor, and many more gases. This part of the earth is called the atmosphere. Atmo is a scientific name for air. So without air, we cannot live. It is forming a very important part of our earth. So plants need carbon dioxide to make their food. People and animals need oxygen to do what is called the respiration. So without air, we cannot live. This shows that air forms a great part of the earth. It is very important. We need to keep it clean and pure. In as much as air is very important, at times it can come as strong wind. So strong wind can affect us a great deal. Think of a case whereby we have a typhoon. Do you still remember a typhoon that we received last year? It destroyed a lot of plants. Animals were left without homes, no food, and a lot of things are disturbed due to strong winds. So strong winds can affect how we live. But it doesn't mean that we don't need air. Air is still very important. The last part of the earth is called life. Life has to do with living things. It is also having a science name called the biosphere. Bio means life. Life comprises of plants, animals, which include us, human, and it also includes a lot of microorganisms, that is small organism that lives on the earth. All these are called the biosphere. Plants are very important in our lives and in the lives of all animals that exist. Why? We have said that we get oxygen from plants, we get fruits from plants, we get vegetables. We can sell a lot of this and get a lot of money and earn a living. I mean, plants are also a home to a lot of living organisms. Let us protect our earth. We have already seen how important these bodies are. Air need not to be polluted. We don't have to pollute the air, because when we pollute the air we are going to breathe will be affected, will be dirty. Water is very important. We don't have to throw dirty things in water, but we need to keep our water clean every time. Think of our land. It is very important that we don't throw any trash in the water or on land. We better recycle all cans, recycle all papers, and we make sure that we minimize the use of the things that can make our land, our water, our air, our environment dirty at all times. By so doing, we will be protecting our Mother Earth. That is a sign of love. We love the gift that has been given to us, which is the earth. The earth is a gift to us. We need to make sure that we protect it at all times. Make sure that we minimize the construction of buildings where it is not necessary. Keep our earth healthy and clean. Now let's play a simple game. How to play? I will ask you a question and you will have 3 answers to pick up from. Try to guess the answer if you are not sure of the answer. Ready? Which one is correct about the earth? The earth has dash parts. A, 6 parts. B, 4 parts. C, 2 parts. Choose the correct answer. The correct answer is B, 4 parts. 4 parts. Next question. Which part of the earth is the most important? A, land and living things. B, water and air. C, all the parts of the earth are important. Choose the correct answer. The correct answer is C. All the parts are important. Another question, what should we do to keep our earth beautiful? What should we do to keep our earth beautiful? A. Protect it. B. Ban all trash. C. Build cities everywhere we want. Choose the correct answer. The correct answer is A. Protect it. This brings us to the end of our broadcast. Great job, students. See you next time. Goodbye.